Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the laptop is awake and plugged in if battery is low. Power state affects brightness limits. Next, open the Action Center or go to Settings, System, Display so you can access the main controls. If available, find the physical function keys labeled with a sun icon. Press FN plus that key to adjust directly. Once done, make sure you know whether the slider or keys change adaptive brightness automatically, so you can control it manually in the next step. You now fine-tune brightness and prevent the system from fighting your choice. Move the slider for coarse changes, then use function keys for rapid increments. This balances precision and speed. Next, go to Display or Power Settings and disable adaptive brightness or ambient light sensors so values remain stable. Also set separate profiles for plugged-in versus battery use to keep comfortable brightness while saving power on battery. Once configured, test with a bright and dim scene to confirm stability. You finish by calibrating final levels using a reference image to check contrast and white balance. Adjust until whites look neutral and details are visible in shadows. If brightness controls misbehave, update your display and chipset drivers because driver issues often cause unresponsive sliders. If problems persist, restart the laptop and check BIOS or UEFI for independent brightness options. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, unplug the laptop, remove battery if possible, hold power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.